this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Web3 wallet on OKX. So first of all, open your OKX wallet app. And if you aren't started yet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a welcome bonus up to $50 in free crypto. Anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on the top left icon from our home tab. And from here, we're going to scroll down, and under Explore, we can see Web3 Wallet, and go ahead and click on this. So now we have changed our interface to Web3, and you can always change back by clicking on the top where it says Web3 and then change it to simple. So in order to create an account on Web3 Wallet, you need to click on Create Wallet. And right now you need to create now, or you can also connect a hardware wallet via Bluetooth or a QR code. I don't have one yet, so I'm going to click on Create Now. So I have enabled my Face ID to log in. And as you can see, this is how you create a Web3 wallet on OKX. Right now you can back up your wallet by doing it with cloud backup or manual. Manual is by having a seed phrase, so store it somewhere safe, and then you can always access your wallet when you run into problems. So this is the Web3 wallet in here. You can now go ahead and trade and do your thing, and that is it for the video. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.